Have you ever taken food out of the fridge and it just doesn't taste the same? Softer, duller, less fresh? Something feels off. But here's what most people don't realize. It's not the food, it's how you stored it. Because for certain foods, your fridge is actually making them worse. And once you understand why this happens, you'll never store them the same way again. So today, we're going through 8 common foods you should never refrigerate. Some of these might surprise you. And the last one? Almost everyone gets it wrong. This isn't just preference. It's science. And once you see what's really happening, you'll stop making this mistake right away. Number 1. Garlic. Garlic should not be refrigerated because it can lead to sprouting. Refrigeration encourages garlic to develop green shoots, which can alter its taste and texture. The cold, damp environment also promotes mold growth, affecting overall quality. In addition, refrigeration can cause garlic to lose its signature flavor. Cold temperatures can convert its natural sugars into starches, resulting in a milder, less potent taste. This reduces the rich aroma that makes garlic a kitchen staple. Storing garlic in the refrigerator can also increase moisture, leading to rubbery or moldy cloves. This affects both taste and shelf life. Garlic also has a porous skin, so it can absorb unwanted odors from nearby foods, which can further compromise its flavor. For best results, store garlic in a cool, dry place with good ventilation. Room temperature, ideally around 60 to 65 degrees Fahrenheit or 15 to 18 degrees Celsius, works well. Keep garlic in a mesh bag or an open container to allow proper airflow and prevent mold. If you're finding this helpful so far, don't forget to like the video and subscribe so you never miss out on our new informative videos. Number 2. Onions. Refrigerating onions isn't ideal for several reasons. First, the moisture in the fridge can make onions mushy and promote mold growth. Onions prefer a cool, dry place, not a cold, damp one. Cold temperatures can also change their texture and taste. Refrigeration converts starches into sugars, making onions taste sweeter. While that might sound appealing, it actually weakens their original flavor and makes them less versatile in cooking. Odor absorption is another issue. Onions easily take in surrounding smells, and in the enclosed space of a fridge, this can lead to unpleasant flavor combinations. Imagine onion-flavored fruit or desserts. Moreover, refrigeration can cause onions to sprout more quickly, which affects their shelf life. Sprouted onions are still edible, but their texture and taste are often worse. If you've cut an onion and need to store the rest, refrigeration can be used. But it's important to seal it in an airtight container. This helps prevent it from absorbing odors and affecting other foods in the fridge. Number 3. Tomatoes. Tomatoes should stay out of the fridge for the best taste and texture. Cold temperatures make tomatoes lose their natural sweetness, leaving them bland. The cold also alters the texture, turning tomatoes mealy and less enjoyable. The delicate balance of enzymes responsible for their flavor gets disrupted. This means refrigerated tomatoes lack the juicy, vibrant taste of those kept at room temperature. Additionally, tomatoes are sensitive to the cold because they are tropical fruits. Cold storage slows down the ripening process, preventing them from reaching their full flavor potential. Room temperature allows them to ripen naturally, enhancing their taste. Beyond taste, refrigeration can also affect the nutritional profile of tomatoes. These red fruits are packed with antioxidants like lycopene, but cold temperatures may reduce the levels of these beneficial compounds, limiting some of their health benefits. Storing tomatoes at room temperature on the counter or in a fruit bowl is the best choice. Keep them stem side down to reduce moisture loss and maintain freshness. If they are already ripe and you are not ready to use them, it is okay to refrigerate them briefly, but always bring them back to room temperature before eating for the best flavor. Number 4. Potatoes. Cold temperatures can convert potato starch into sugar, affecting both taste and texture. Potatoes are best stored in a cool, dark place to maintain their natural flavor. Additionally, Refrigeration can lead to the formation of a chemical called acrylamide when potatoes are cooked at high temperatures. Acrylamide is a potential carcinogen and can form more easily in potatoes that have been stored in the cold. Keeping them out of the fridge helps reduce this risk. Refrigeration also increases moisture levels in potatoes, which can promote bacterial growth. Potatoes prefer a dry environment to stay fresh longer, and excess moisture can lead to faster spoilage and unpleasant odors. Furthermore, the cold air in the refrigerator can negatively affect enzymes in potatoes, accelerating their breakdown. Storing potatoes outside the fridge helps preserve these enzymes, ensuring better quality and taste when cooked. Potatoes kept in the refrigerator may also develop a gritty or overly sweet texture due to the conversion of starch into sugar. Number 5. Avocados. Avocados are another food best kept at room temperature, not in the fridge. Refrigeration slows their ripening process and can alter both texture and flavor. Cold temperatures reduce the enzymatic activity responsible for ripening, causing avocados to stay firm and unripe for longer. When kept at room temperature, they ripen naturally, developing the creamy texture we all enjoy. Cold storage can also dull their flavor, as low temperatures reduce the volatile compounds responsible for their rich taste. Avocados are unique fruits that ripen after harvest, and refrigerating them can interrupt this process, affecting their overall quality. The cold can also cause the avocado skin to darken, while the inside remains underripe. Keeping avocados on the counter allows them to reach their ideal ripeness. They are also sensitive to moisture, and refrigeration can expose them to excess humidity, which may lead to mold growth and spoilage. To prevent this, store avocados in a dry environment at room temperature. If your avocados are already ripe and you do not plan to eat them right away, you can refrigerate them to slow further ripening, but it is best to use them within a few days for optimal taste and texture. Number 6. Bananas. Bananas are tropical fruits with unique characteristics that make them better suited for room temperature storage. First, bananas thrive in warmer conditions. Refrigeration can cause the fruit's cell walls to break down, turning the skin brown and affecting the texture. Cold temperatures interrupt the ripening process, leading to an altered taste and a less appealing texture. In addition, bananas are ethylene-sensitive fruits. Placing them in the fridge can expose them to ethylene-producing foods, causing uneven ripening. This can result in a ripe exterior, but an underripe interior, reducing the fruit's overall quality. Refrigeration also affects the flavor of bananas. The cold environment suppresses the enzymes responsible for developing their natural sweetness. Room temperature allows these enzymes to work properly, giving you the full flavor bananas are known for. Additionally, the skin of refrigerated bananas may darken quickly, creating the impression of overripeness, even if the inside is still fine. Storing bananas at room temperature helps maintain a consistent appearance and better eating experience. In terms of nutrition, bananas are rich in essential nutrients, and refrigeration may reduce some antioxidants and beneficial compounds. To maximize their quality and health benefits, it is best to store bananas in a cool, dry place at room temperature. Number 7. Bread. Refrigerating bread is often counterproductive. Storing bread in the fridge actually accelerates staling. Cold temperatures cause the starch in bread to crystallize faster, leading to a dry and tough texture. Moisture is bread's natural enemy, and refrigeration can introduce humidity, sometimes making your loaf soggy. The fridge can also affect flavor. Bread easily absorbs surrounding odors, so storing it near other foods can make it taste and smell unpleasant. Keeping it out of the fridge helps preserve its original taste. The cold environment does not stop the aging process, it only changes it. While refrigeration may slow mold growth, it speeds up starch retrogradation, making bread go stale faster once brought back to room temperature. Freezing is a better option if you will not finish the loaf soon. Freeze slices in a sealed bag to preserve freshness. Freezing pauses the aging process without significantly affecting texture or taste. When ready to eat, simply thaw the bread at room temperature for the best results. Number 8. Honey. Refrigeration can cause honey to crystallize faster. Cold temperatures encourage the sugars in honey to form crystals, altering its texture and making it gritty. Storing honey at room temperature slows this crystallization process, helping it stay smooth and pourable. Another important factor is honey's hygroscopic nature, meaning it can absorb moisture from the air. Refrigeration may introduce excess humidity, which can dilute honey and slightly affect its flavor. Keeping honey in a cool, dry place helps preserve its natural taste and quality. Furthermore, honey has a low pH, typically ranging from 3 to 4, which creates an acidic environment that is naturally resistant to bacteria. This makes refrigeration unnecessary for preventing spoilage. Honey has even been used historically as a natural preservative because of these properties. Refrigerating honey can also make it harder to use, as cold honey becomes thicker and less pourable. At room temperature, honey remains more fluid, making it easier to drizzle or mix into foods and drinks. As we can see, not all foods thrive in the cold environment of the fridge. Understanding where each item is best stored helps preserve both flavor and nutritional value. Proper storage makes a real difference in the quality of your food. Take a quick look inside your fridge and remove foods that do better at room temperature. Store items like tomatoes, potatoes, onions, and bread in a cool, dry place instead. Keep your pantry organized so these foods stay fresh and easy to access. This simple habit can improve taste, reduce waste, and even save you money. So embrace the right environment for each food, and your taste buds will thank you. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more simple, practical tips. Thanks for watching.